La da 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 da. Oh, la da 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 da. What is your name? My name is Peanut. What is your name? I'm Penguin the cutie. You're so beautiful. Wanna be friends? Sure. Yay! I'm so happy about that. Woo. Let's. This is my home. But there's nothing here. Yeah, 'cause it's my rest time. Wake up! It's only been 2 hours when you were sleeping. Huh? 2 hours? 2 hours? I was napping? Yeah! I thought we were friends. Yeah, but I was just so tired. Wake up! It's only been now 3 hours. Oh, you're so annoying. I'm just gonna sleep for 23 hours. Peanut, wake up. I had enough sleep. It's only been 23 hours. I've been waking you up for 23 hours, Peanut. It's still 3 hours? Huh, strange. I'm going back to sleep. Oh. Peanut, wake up. I'm so tired. Been waking you up for another 3 hours and 23 hours. Wake up. Huh? Okay, fine. I'll wake up. Why is your eye so small? Go to the bathroom and make yourself, wake up properly, okay? Okay, I'm gonna go to the bathroom. I feel better. Okay, good. Now let's go to spin. What? Spin? Really? Yes, I love spinning. Yay! Peanut, I think we've been spinning for too long. I'm so dizzy. I need to stand up. Whoa! Oh, come on. Be careful. Just, stand up. Oh, there we go. Oh. Come on, stand up. I know you're very dizzy, dude. Okay, I'm gonna stand up. Go to the bathroom and make yourself wake up. I'm not even tired. I'm very, 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 very dizzy because we've been spinning for 23 hours. Oh, okay. I guess that makes it dizzy. I need to go to the bathroom. I feel better when I, vomit in the toilet. What? You vomited on my toilet? I am not being your friend anymore.